Hormone balance food. Top foods to naturally balance your hormones and feel amazing. Did you know that the food you eat can have a powerful impact on your hormones? Hormones control everything from your mood and energy levels to your weight and sleep patterns. But when they're out of balance, it can leave you feeling tired, irritable, and overwhelmed. The good news is, you don't need expensive supplements or complicated treatments to restore hormonal harmony. In this video, we'll explore the best foods for hormone balance and how they can help you feel healthier, happier, and more energized, starting today. Hormones are like messengers in your body, sending signals to regulate processes such as metabolism, stress response, reproduction, and even digestion. When these messengers are out of sync, it can lead to symptoms like fatigue, cravings, weight gain, acne, insomnia, or even mood swings. While there are many factors that influence hormone health, including stress, sleep, and exercise, one of the most important is your diet. What you eat directly impacts how your hormones function, which means making smarter food choices can be a game changer. Let's dive into the top foods that support hormone balance and explain exactly how they work. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production because they provide the raw materials your body needs to create hormones. Without enough healthy fats, your body struggles to produce hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Foods like avocados, coconut oil, olive oil, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of these fats. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, which supports adrenal health, while coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, that boost metabolism and reduce inflammation. Adding these fats to your meals not only promotes hormone balance but also keeps you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. Protein plays a critical role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, which is crucial for hormone balance. When your blood sugar spikes and crashes, it triggers the release of insulin, a hormone that, when imbalanced, can lead to weight gain and energy crashes. To avoid this roller coaster effect, include high-quality proteins in every meal. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients and contain cholesterol, which is necessary for producing sex hormones. Wild-caught salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support thyroid function. Grass-fed beef provides zinc and iron, vital for reproductive hormone health, while lentils and beans are plant-based proteins that are also rich in fiber, helping to detoxify excess hormones from the body. Fiber-rich foods are another key player in hormone balance. Fiber isn't just good for digestion, it's also essential for removing excess hormones from your system. For example, too much estrogen can lead to symptoms like bloating, breast tenderness, and mood swings. Foods high in fiber help bind to these excess hormones and eliminate them through your digestive tract. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with magnesium, which helps calm the nervous system and balance cortisol levels. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables contain compounds called indoles, which support liver detoxification and estrogen metabolism. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are low in sugar and high in antioxidants, protecting your cells from hormonal damage. Whole grains like quinoa, oats, and brown rice provide sustained energy while supporting gut health and hormone regulation. Gut health is absolutely essential for hormonal balance because 90% of serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is produced in your gut. Consuming probiotic-rich foods helps maintain a healthy microbiome, which in turn supports hormone production and regulation. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are all excellent sources of probiotics. These foods enhance gut diversity, reduce inflammation, and support overall hormone health. A happy gut equals happy hormones, so make sure to include these probiotic powerhouses in your daily routine. Chronic stress wreaks havoc on your hormones by elevating cortisol levels, which can disrupt sleep, appetite, and mood. Adaptogenic herbs and foods help your body adapt to stress and restore hormonal equilibrium. Ashwagandha is known for its ability to lower cortisol and improve thyroid function, while maca root boosts energy, libido, and balances estrogen levels. Holy basil reduces stress and inflammation while supporting adrenal health, and reishi mushrooms calm the nervous system and promote restful sleep. These adaptogens can easily be added to smoothies, teas, or soups for an extra dose of hormonal support. Finally, let's talk about hydration. Dehydration can impair hormone signaling and lead to fatigue, headaches, and poor concentration. Drinking enough water ensures that your hormones travel efficiently throughout your body. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, and add a squeeze of lemon for an extra detoxifying boost. Small changes in your diet can make a big difference in how you feel. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these foods into your meals each week, and gradually build up to a hormone-balancing eating plan. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite hormone-balancing food. We'd love to hear from you.